Today, folks, we're going to look at the while loop in Python. We're using Python 3, but the while loop is a very easy construct to use. This is an example of a conditional loop. That is, it's a loop that only executes if a particular condition is met. So I'm going to give you some very quick examples of how this works. So we start off with a program. So let's do a wee quiz program. So if we were to do something like a print, what is the capital of Scotland? And if we do something like answer equals input, give a wee prompt so it looks nice. Okay, so that'll run and it'll just pop up and it'll say what's capital Scotland, and it gives us a chance to put in an answer. So that's easy enough. So if we want to know if it's right or wrong, we would say the following: if answer equals Edinburgh, okay, print well done. Or else print sorry, you got that wrong. Okay, so this is just a very simple little quiz program that we have, double equals, that we have met in the past, where we type in, if we get it right by saying Edinburgh, well done, and if we get it wrong by saying Glasgow, then we get it wrong. But what happens if we want to change the quiz? So what the quiz wants to do is, rather than just ask one question, it wants to keep asking it until you get it right. So in other words, it wants to constantly go back over it. Now, if we used an unconditional loop, like for example, a for loop, then it would ask us a specific number of times. So even if we got it right, it would still keep asking. So we don't want that. So what we need to do is a conditional loop. So for that, we have to make slight modifications to this program. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to take this question here and we're going to wrap it in a while loop. So what we're going to say is, while answer is not equal to Edinburgh. Okay. And we'll also have to set Edinburgh up at the top as, sorry, we need to set answer up at the top as blank. So now what's going to happen is, what is capital Scotland? And if we get it wrong, it's going to keep asking us. Okay, and if we get it right, then it's going to say well done. Now that's all very nice, but it seems daft that it's just not telling us we got it wrong in between it. So what we do is we just indent the part of the code we want to repeat. So by putting this if statement now inside the while, you get this. So what is the capital of Scotland? And if I put Largs, sorry, you got that wrong. What's the capital of Scotland? Glasgow. So you got that wrong. What's the capital of Scotland? Edinburgh. Well done, and the program exits. So what the while loop allows us to do is to simply repeat part of a code while a condition is true. And that's the important thing. It has to be while it's true. Okay, so very simple little bit of code, the while loop.